Okay guys, I moved machines, got a bonus at $3 bet. Hey, this machine's a max bet of $6. Let's see if this is gonna be special. Come on. Oh, we got some 9s all the way through. Or not all the way through, but up to the 4th reel. And we got our 4th head. Let's see what happens. 20 bucks right there. Second head, second spin. Come on, baby, make it special. There we go. One more. That's good. I'll take that. 1 head, 2 coins. Keep doing that all day, every day. Twice on Sunday. Come on. Okay, there's number 5 on the head. 6 of 13. Yes, 1 head, 2 coins. That's all good. There we go. Come on, baby. Number 6 on the heads. 7 of 18. We got 11 spins to retrigger. Math, you know. Come on, baby. A sunset in the middle would have been beautiful, but Cougars are now gone. They're waiting for me at Starbucks coffee shop. Okay, that's a nice little hit right there. That's 15 times 8 on the Buffalo. Hey, we got 8 heads. We're at 11 of 18 on the spins. Beautiful. Gotta love that. I'm gonna let it play out. I've been pushing the button and it hasn't been working, so I'm gonna let this play out. See what happens. You know, superstitions and gambling and all that. Let me know, do you guys have any superstitions when you gamble? I touch the screen. Sometimes I let the bonuses play out. You tell me what your superstitions are. Leave it in the comments. I would appreciate it. There we go, number 9 on the head, 6 spins left to retrigger. Ay, ay, ay. Come on. 4 more spins to retrigger. Don't do that. Oh no. 2 spins, can we retrigger? Extend this bonus out, please. Oh, they're both right up there. Wow. 170 on the $3 bet. I'll take that all day, every day, and twice on Sunday. Let's do some backups. See if we can get it to come again real quick here. 1 more. And I'll be back if I get something else. Okay guys, played it down a little bit too much. I did some $6 max bet spends. Nothing happened. Moved it back down to 60 cents. Hey, got another one. You could get 15 heads on 60 cents if the coins cooperate. Right there. Not cooperating so far. Okay, we got 5 heads. 3 spins to retrigger. 7 heads, 2 spins to retrigger. Last spin coming. Nope. 330 on the 60-cent bet. Let's go. Backup time. It was right there. And I'll try 1 at $3. And I'll be back if I get something else. Okay guys, we got a bonus at 240 bet. Hey, that's mid bet here. Let's see what happens. Come on, Buffalo. 15 heads. That's one. It's a start. I would like to see maybe 50 games. Oh, it's right at the top. That was evil. There we go. That's good. Come on, baby. We're at 3 of 13 now. One head. Two heads. 4 of 13. Extend it out, guys. Come on. 3 heads. 6 of 13. 7 games to re-trigger. Come on. Bring your buddies. It's a party. Ay, ay, ay. We got some elks there. Jacks. Come on. You can do it. Uh-oh. 4 games to re-trigger. Come on. Do your magic. Oh. 2 more games. Ay, ay, ay. You're being tight with the free games, huh? Yep. 36 bucks on a 240 bet. Let's back it up. One more. And last one. I'll come back if I get something else. Okay guys, we got a bonus here on 60 cents. Well, let's see if this is magic. 2 heads in the beginning, that's not bad. There we go. Nice start, 2 spins in. Keep doing that all day. 2 heads, we're on our 3rd spin. We got 10 spins to re-trigger. 3rd head. Come on, baby. 7 spins in, 4 spins to re-trigger. 4th head. Come on. Oh. Come on. 2 more spins, 3 more spins to re-trigger. Let's go. 5 heads. No luck with the coins. There we go. 1 more. That's good. 5 more spins to re-trigger. That saved us on the last spin. Number 6. Oh no. 2 more spins. Okay, we got some wolves right there. Times 3 would be nice. Jacks 2. There we go. That's a little something. That's 1350 times 4. And we got 1 more spin to go. On a 60-cent bet, that's awesome. 6 heads. Only 1 spin remaining though. Come on. Okay, I'll take that all day, every day, and twice on Sunday. Let's do a backup. Thought it was going to be back-to-back right there. And we'll try one at $3. And I'll be back if I get something else.